Every test environment, every analytics workbench, every AI training set, most enterprises copy production data into them, exposing real customer information far beyond where it should ever live. Most organizations rely on outdated assumptions, siloed tools, and point-in-time checks. Privacy regulators on every continent now treat unmasked production data in non-production environments as a reportable breach waiting to happen. This is where data masking and privacy audit assessment changes the picture. An assessment of data masking, anonymization, and pseudonymization controls to ensure sensitive data protection in development, testing, and analytics environments. It's the only systematic way to use real data without ever exposing it. The answer, every regulator, board, and CISO is now asking for. Who is securing this? How? And with what evidence? Working with us starts with complete visibility. We map every critical asset, account, and attack path in scope, ensuring nothing important is missed and nothing unnecessary slows the assessment down. From there, we align real-world attacker techniques to your environment, testing the threats that actually matter to your business. Our experts then assess your systems manually and methodically, uncovering the vulnerabilities automated scanners fail to detect. Every finding is carefully analyzed and connected to real business impact, helping your teams prioritize what truly needs attention. You receive a clear, actionable remediation roadmap designed for engineers to implement quickly. And once fixes are in place, we validate every remediation through retesting. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.